Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from around the world. Alan from Wall Street to EasyStreet.com. We're going to take a minute here to show you about how to analyze the market. And what we're going to focus on in this video is how to determine the direction that we really should be looking to trade in. So go ahead and take the time to watch the entire video, and I hope you get a good understanding of how to determine the trade direction for your most high probability trades. All right, this is typically what a new trader's chart looks like. So we're just going to take a look at it here, and we're going to try to determine which way we should be trading. So typically what a new trader does is they're always looking to find the latest and greatest indicators or combination of indicators, or something that they think is going to give them an advantage in the market. And unfortunately, it leads to nothing more than just confusion and lost profits. But this is typically what they look at. So we'll take a look here and we'll see. We got our moving averages on here, and we can see price somewhere in this area here, around the middle of our moving averages. We also see our fib levels we're up here near 100%. So maybe we should be looking to short, but we're above our moving averages here. We're in the middle. Maybe we should go long. Or our stochastics we have here, we're showing that it's showing strength. It's over 70, but wait a minute, it's kind of diverging down. So maybe we should be looking to short, or should we go long because it's staying above 70? And then we got our oscillator here, which is kind of showing some weakness. But well, wait a minute, it did turn green. So maybe we should be not sure if we should trade long or short off that. And then we got our average true range in here, and we can see it's telling us pretty much absolutely nothing. But we've always got our other oscillator here at the bottom, and this is another version of stochastics, and it's showing us kind of down here. And well, maybe it's weak, or we've turned and hit 30, so maybe we should go long. Or we're looking here on a monthly chart, so I'm not really sure which way we should trade. So let's try zooming in a little bit. All right, so here on the weekly chart, we can see where is our price? Is our price in there somewhere? I'm sure somewhere we got some price in there. Maybe we should go to the daily. All right, we can see here on the daily, we're up here into this red zone here in our fib levels. So should we go long or short, or I'm not sure what we should do there. Our stochastics here is still showing us strength, so maybe we should be going long, but we're kind of getting extended. Maybe we should short. I don't know which way. It's just confusing. Let's just go down one more time. Let's go to hourly. Let's see, what do we have? Price is, can anybody even see the price? What is the price doing in there? I have no idea what the price is doing in there. This is just too much. I can't tell which way to go. So let's try to look at something different. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see what news events we have coming up for the week, because that's really what we need to know first and foremost when we're going to trade. So we're going to take a look and see what is all of our events that are likely to move the markets, and we're going to make note of these, because if we're day trading and we're looking to trade, for some good scalps, we don't want to be scalping into any of these news events. We want to close any scalping trade prior to the news event. So we want to make note of those first. These are going to set the tone of the market for the week. So you should have this list, carry it on your phone or in your pocket or somewhere where you know exactly when they're coming out the entire trading week. Then we're going to take a look at our charts. And what we want to do is we want to trade in the direction of the long-term trend. That's going to give us our highest probabilities. And we can keep it simple and clean. And we can see here on the monthly chart, we got this downtrend here that we're just starting to break. And I would prefer that the monthly chart be trending up as well. But we've had a change in tone of the market here recently, and that's why you see this big move to the upside. The weekly chart, you can see we're trending upward, and the let me get this changed here. This is the wrong one. Okay, here's our daily chart, and this is absolutely important because we're going to trade in the direction of our daily chart here. So with our daily chart trending upward, that's the direction we want to trade. Our weekly chart also confirms it. And if we had the monthly, then we would be set to go all in. Since we were missing the monthly chart, we're going to scale back our position sizes just a little bit. But we don't need a bunch of indicators on there. We're just looking to see which direction is the market going. You can see here it's going upward on our daily. You can see here we're going upward on our weekly. And monthly we're heading down. We don't need all them confusing indicators on there. So now we've set the tone of which way we want to trade. We want to trade to the upside. So now we're going to look at our short-term time frames over here and our intermediate terms. And we can see here that they're both the hourly and 30 minutes. Both of those are going to the upside. So we're set to go to the long side. So now all we're going to do is we're going to start buying the pullbacks and the dips in the chart. So basically what we're going to do is, as long as these are trending upward, we're going to buy each dip. We're going to buy this dip here. Probably going to buy this dip in here. Going to buy this dip here. And ride these up and try to get a few pips profit out of each one of those. So it's really quick. It's really simple. You don't need the you don't need your charts to be looking like this with all these indicators on them that you can't even see what direction price is going. Unfortunately, that's how most people trade. So the point is, the simpler you keep it, the more cleaner your charts is, the more you're going to increase your profits. So, once again, just sitting down at the computer, we can, within 1 minute, we can see that the majority of our long-term time frames here are trending to the upside. And we know we've had a change in tone of the market here several days back. So we're still pretty comfortable trading to the upside. So now within 30 seconds, we see that long terms are telling us to go trade to the long side. Intermediate terms are saying trade to the long side. As long as they all line up, then we're set to go. We're not going to short anything. We're just going to buy the dips or buy the breakouts, however you choose to determine your entries. And you're going to have the best possible chances of riding those trades to a nice profit. It really is that simple. So I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video here, and feel free to come by and check out the webpage here. I got a lot of good information here. And don't forget about the forum. Come by and check out the forum as well. So hope y'all have a good trading week ahead, and have a good trading day.